for apple. B for ball. C for carrot. D for duck. E for eyes. F for flower. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kite. L for lion. M for moon. N for nest. O for orange. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sandwich. T for tree. U for umbrella. V for west. W for watermelon. X for x-ray. Y for yogurt. Z for zebra.